Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hide your candles on Metatrader 5 app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metatrader 5 app, and once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or home page of the Metatrader 5 apps on the screen. So now if you want to hide your candles, then what you can basically do is you can simply tap on the settings, which is at the bottom right corner of this watch list or home page, and now you can see there is a chart option at the right above of this journal option. So just tap on the charts, and you can see there is a three options: bar chart, candlesticks, and line chart. So you can choose any of them according to your want. So let's say I want to choose the bar chart, or let's say I want to choose the line chart for now. And let's get back, and if you tap on the chart, then yeah, you'll be able to see there is a no candlesticks in this chart. So yeah, basically this is how you can hide your candlesticks in Metatrader 5. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.